to printing something like this embossing effect, we need to open our printing software, and there have a support. Yeah, to click the support and OK. And then open the setting, because for the first time we only need to print in the white. So click the white and to save. Okay, and then we just click the print. 哦，是糊呢，怎么回事 ？And print. Okay, and for now, when we finish printing like this one, we need to print in the colors. So we also need to open the setting and choose the normal. 等一下，再给他看看别的选项。Yeah. So just click, choose this. Yeah. We have the color white, gloss, and only color gloss choices. And for now, first we choose the white. Second we choose the normal. Yeah, it's very easy. And to save the, and then it will print for the second time for the colors. Okay, and for this one, the machine will be start working, and we need to make sure the UV line is open. Yeah, turn on the UV line that it can drop the ink and the varnish immediately. 房间好真实。Because the material is the paper, so it will absorb the varnish, so it looks not very perfect. Yeah, so varnish is not perfect apply in the paper. Yeah, so in next time we can change the material. But the color looks good. But it's not bad. Yeah, not bad. This, and for this, so for paper it's better only to printing the white and the colored ink. Yeah, varnish just for the liner. It's good. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me some likes and follow me. I will show you more videos of the application of the UV printer. Thank you. Bye.